Wayfair Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Wayfair Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to wayfair.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Wayfair, it is an American e-commerce company that specializes in selling furniture and home goods online, in which it is one of the largest online retailers of home furnishings and decor, offering a wide range of products for interior design and home improvement. And aside from that, Wayfair provides a platform for customers to browse and purchase furniture, decor, appliances, and other items for various living spaces. However, we're not here to shop or purchase a product on Wayfair, since we're here to earn money using the affiliate program that offer on Wayfair. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to the footer section of this website and kindly click About Wayfair. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you on the top panel some of the options that you can navigate. And in those options, kindly proceed by clicking Partner with Us. And after clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see Become a Supplier Partner, on how to become a talent acquisition inclusion partnership, or how to advertise opportunities by simply clicking the button below on each offer, such as we have here Wayfair Professional and also the affiliate program. However, as you can see under the affiliate program, you will not be able to see other kinds of buttons that can lead us to sign up to their affiliate program. But what we have here is the overview about the affiliate program of Wayfair, in which the Wayfair affiliate program is a program that allows websites, blogs, or buying guides to promote Wayfair through affiliate links and earn commission on orders that occur from those links. And aside from that, the program offers over 2 million products globally across all major home categories, giving affiliates more choices and opportunities than ever. And aside from that, Wayfair affiliate benefit from dedicated in-house management, and also it offers 5% to 7% commissions, a 7-day referral period, and over 2 million products available through data feeds. However, on this platform, to join to the affiliate program, there is no button that can lead us or that can sign up us to become an affiliate. But in order to become an affiliate in Wayfair, we could also use other platforms like this platform called CJ.com. And if you don't know this platform, it is also known as Commission Junction, which is a global affiliate marketing network and platform that connects advertisers with publishers in order to create partnership and facilitate online marketing and advertising, in which it helps businesses promote their products and services by partnering with affiliates who promote those offerings on their websites, blogs, social media, or other online channels. And now, the next thing that you need to do is to simply sign up to this platform CJ.com, and by clicking the Get Started on the top right corner, you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you the two options such as to get started as an advertisers or publishers. And just proceed by clicking Get Started under Advertisers. And after that, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information. Then after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which you're currently on the homepage of CJ.com. And below here, it will show you the onboarding checklist, including the list of tasks that you need to fill out or to complete in order to activate your account and to join to the affiliate program of Wayfair, such as to verify your email address and enter your user information, complete your network profile, to add a promotional property, provide your payment info, and other details that you need to complete. Since it says here that completing the following tasks will ensure that you are ready to start working with advertisers and getting paid for your hard work, and once you complete the task on this checklist, you will be able to apply to advertisers program so you can start promoting their products and making money. And after activating your account, you can now proceed by navigating the other option on the top left corner, such as partners, reports, campaigns, and account. And to proceed joining to the affiliate program of Wayfair, just click the partners and click find advertisers. And you will be directed on this page, in which below here, you will see on the left side panel, under the search bar and also the status, kindly select all since we're just trying to find the Wayfair affiliate program. And after that, you can now start entering Wayfair, in which it will show you the result of Wayfair. We have here Wayfair DE, Wayfair Professional, and UK. And in those options, I'm going to select this Wayfair UK. So kindly click on search below, and it will show you on the right side panel the result of it. In which below here, under more info, it will show you additional information and details that you need to know before joining or applying to the affiliate program of Wayfair. And you can see here that they offer up to 12% commission for affiliates. And below here, you will also see other benefits that you can get if you become an affiliate of Wayfair. And aside from that, you will also see here the question, what types of affiliates do you work with? And it will show you the answer below that says our program no longer accepts websites that promote coupon codes. So if you apply with website that promotes coupon code, you will be automatically declined. And they also don't allow affiliates to promote via PPC advertising. So that is also one of the things that you need to consider before joining or applying to this affiliate program. And aside from that, under the program terms section below here, it will show you some of the terms and conditions that you must need to follow and to keep in mind before joining to this affiliate program. And as you can see here under the situational commission adjustment, it will show you the difference commission rate that you can get depending on the situation. And below that is the policy that you must need to read and understand before joining to this program. And aside from that, you could also navigate relationship, history, and link accounts section in here. And now to join or apply to affiliate program, just click this button right here. However, there's an error that shows since we still not have finished all the checklists on boards. So it is really essential to fill out all of the required information in here and to complete all the tasks before joining or applying to any affiliate program in cj.com. But let's say you've not successfully filling out or complete all the tasks in here and you join to the affiliate program of Wayfair. After applying, all you need to do is to wait for them to respond if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program, in which if you are, they will send a confirmation email that shows that you are now part of their affiliate program. And to start promoting their platform, the next thing that you need to do is to simply generate your own tracker links. And to do that, kindly go to campaign section right here and kindly click links and products, in which from here, it will show you how you can generate a link or you can use the product links in order to promote the product of Wayfair. And you can use the generated tracker links and attach it to your social media posts, such as on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And when a person tries to click your generate link and purchase a product on Wayfair through your affiliate link, you will get a commission from that sale. And your commission will be directed or reflected on this cj.com. And here are some of the products that you could also promote if you become an affiliate in Wayfair. So that is just how you can join the Wayfair affiliate program. Thank you.